Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. First things first, man. Y'all go hit that subscribe button, man. And turn your notifications on, man. Hit that bell so you can know when I drop another video. Now today what we got, you see this all black box with the glossy Nike sign all around it. If you don't know what this is, I'll tell you. Okay, what we got today is the Air Max 97 Plus. And the colorway is Racer Pink, Hyper Magenta, Total Crimson, and Black. Now opening the box, you got plain white paper, nothing special. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Max 97 Plus. Now, I already reviewed the other shoe, which was the Air Max Plus 97. This is the Air Max 97 Plus. Now all this pluses and 97 and minus, all that shit is confusing, man. So anyway, as we look around the shoe, man, I think it's a dope little shoe. But like I said on the other one, I'm not a fan of this color, man. You know, I'm a 6'5" grown man. I can't be wearing no pink, man. That's just me though. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to push my opinion on none of y'all, because I know how touchy some people on the internet could be, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I think it's a dope shoe. But like I said, the colorway is just not for me. I'm not a person, I'm not a man that'll wear pink, you know what I'm saying? So skip that. Now looking at the shoe, man, I think it's a dope shoe. You know what I mean? It's fire. Nike coming with it. They saturating the game with these Air Maxes. I don't know what to say about it, but they giving you, I mean, way too many colors if you ask me, but it is what it is. Let them do what they do. Now you see on the tongue you got this blue check. I don't know where the blue check come from, but it is what it is. Now on the inside, on the insole, you got the same blue on the Nike Air logo. Probably can't see it too good, but you can see the little touches of blue in there, so you know what it is. There's a good look at that Air unit. Nice, crisp, clean. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, man, look, don't get me wrong. I think the shoe is dope. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking with that. But I just can't fuck with that. If that make any sense to you, you know what I'm saying? And on the bag, you see the Nike check. You got a few more Nike symbols on the bottom, on the side. I mean, it's a pretty plain shoe as far as, you know, the you know, things that's on the shoe, you know what I'm saying? The main attraction to this shoe, to me, this one and the other one, is the colorway. You know what I'm saying? They came with these colors and they go together well, you know what I'm saying? But here's a look at the bottom. I mean, it is what it is, man. I just wanted to do a quick little review, man. Let y'all see the shoes, man. Like I said, I did the other one. Go ahead, check that video out. You know what I'm saying? Of the Air Max 97, no, the Air Max Plus 97. See, I'm getting mixed up with it myself. This one is the Air Max 97 Plus, and the other one is the Air Max Plus 97. So, go figure. Anyway, yeah, man, that was my little look at the shoe, man. Let me know what you think in the comments, man. You think it's dope? Nope. Hit that subscribe button, man. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504, and I'ma holla back.